everyone. In this video, we are going to learn about list. There are four types of list: ordered list, unordered list, nested list, and definition list. So we will see all the four types of list one by one. First of all, let us understand what a list is. If you will see this is a list. In this list, we have 1, 2, 3. Inside 3, we have 3.1, 3.2. So this is nested list. And here, the order is important. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is important. I cannot put the characters above and episodes below. Otherwise, this will go wrong, right? So here, the order is important. So this is ordered list. If you will go down, see here. If I'll write down the cockroaches above and the Augie below, or I will change these three, interchange them, Marquee above and the Joy above, right? So it will not make any difference. So this is unordered list where the order does not differ if I will put them above and below or above. And generally they are by the circles or the disc or the squares or the arrow you must have seen here. For the ordered list, you have seen 1, 2, 3, the normal numbers in the Roman numerals, in ABC, or 1, 2, 3, the capital ones on the smaller ones, all those things, right? So let's make these two types of list, the ordered list and unordered list. So this is the website that we were working on. This we have done in the last class, the formatting thing. In this class, in this video, we are going to do the list, the ordered list, unordered list. So first of all, do the unordered list. So after the creator and the stars, we are working on the characters, right? Now for the characters, we have a list. We are making the unordered list. So we have Augie and the cockroaches. So let's start the list here. Now how to make a list? List is UL tag. We are making the unordered list, so it is a UL tag. Inside the UL tag, we put the list items. How many list items are there? 2. Augie and the cockroaches. Augie and the cockroaches. So starting the LI tag, LI means the list item and ending the list items. So what I have done, I have made unordered list. Unordered list have 2 items. So list item 1, this is the list item 2. So first is Augie and the second one is the cockroaches. Augie and the cockroaches. If you will see your website now, you will see a list there, characters, Augie and the cockroaches. If I will change it to OL, that is ordered list, it will become 1, 2. If it is unordered list, that is UL, it will be the circles. Okay. If instead of circles, you want disc, so I can mention the type disc. By default, it's circle. Sorry, this is the disc. By default, it's disc, and this is the circle. If you want it to be square, you can have the square ones. Okay, so these are the 3 types. You can mention square, disc, circle. For the unordered, it doesn't depend. I write down the cockroaches above, Augie below, doesn't make any difference. So this is unordered list. Now comes the ordered list. Let's make that too. I'll change the unordered to ordered, OL. So now you can see it is 1, 2. Here the type is 1, 2, 3 and A, B, C, all those things. So let me write down type is A. So it will change to AB. Let me write down again. Let's say the type is capital A. So it will be AB, the capital ones. Let me write down the type is numerals, the capital ones. So it will be this 1, 2 in the numerals. If I'm writing in the small, it will be 1, 2 in the numerals in small. See, like this. It can be 1, 2. 1, 2 is the default. You do not need to mention. See, this is the ordered list. 1, 2 will come there like this. Let's say you do not want to start from 1. You want to start from, or you do not want to start from A. You want to start from P. So it will be Oogie and the Cockroaches. Let me change it to here. I want the ordered list type equals 1, 2, 3 and I want the start from 11. So the last list should be 11, 12. Okay, so you can mention the start attribute also. So these are the different types of ordered list, and the unordered list can be square, it can be circle. Let me make that also. Instead of square, it should be circle, or it can be a disc also. So unordered list can be square, disc, circle. The ordered list can be AB with the capital, small, 1, 2, numerals, numbers. Also you can have a start attribute and give it a value, the value you want to start your list with. So let me remove the extra lists from here. So we will keep the first one and remove all other. Okay, so now this is our unordered list. Also let me remove the type. So we will have the circles, Oogie and the cockroaches. Now there are 3 types of cockroaches, Didi, Marky and Joy. So I want another list inside this list. Inside this list, that means I need to press enter. Now I am inside it, right? Inside the cockroaches, I need another unordered list. So I will put another unordered list. And inside it, we have 3 list items. So this is the first list item. List item is empty tag. List item is empty tag. It doesn't have a closing tag. Li tag doesn't have a closing tag. So this is the first list item. This is the second list item. And this is the third list item. So the first one is so see the cockroaches. Inside that I have made another unordered list. So this is list item 1, 2, 3. And it is inside this, right? So there are 3, Didi, Marky and Joy. So the first is Didi, second is Marky, and the third is Joy. So you can see it is nested list now. One other and one under the other, right? Now if you will see, this is heading and this is the definition of it. So we can make that too, right? Heading and then its definition. It is known as definition list. It is known as definition list. Now how to make a definition list? It is DL tag. So let us make that DL tag, starting the tag, ending the tag, DL tag, definition list. In between it, press enter. So definition term and definition data. So definition term and definition data. These are the two tags. So let's, definition term is Jack. Let me put it here. And the information about him. It's a lot. Let us have this much. Data is okay. So now you can see Jack and its definition. Let's mention another term and its data. So let me mention another term and another data. So what is the another term? Bob. So let me put in the term. So Bob is the term and this is the information about it. So that is the data. He is okay. So this is the data. So this is the definition list. Jack, the information about him. Bob, the information about him. Okay. So this is the definition list. Inside definition list, we have term and its data. Unordered list, UL tag, we put the list items with the LI. With the LI. For ordered list, it is just O. Another thing is nested, that is the list inside the list. So this is the unordered list that is inside the unordered list. So this is list inside list, known as nested list. So let's quickly check out. So we started with the list, unordered list, UL tag, list item, LI tag, disk, circle, square. We have done all the three types. Next is ordered list, OL tag, starting from 2, type A, I, 1, all those things, numerals, numbers. Definition list, DL tag, and then term and data. Then nested list, list inside the list is nested list. Let's see the differences between ordered and unordered list. What is the difference between these two? Ordered list have specific order, unordered list doesn't have specific order. It is very much clear from the name itself. The order is important, unordered order is not important. In ordered list, we have serial numbers 1, 2, 3, A, B, C. In unordered list, we have bullets. We have circle, disc, squares, arrows, all those things. Ordered list is also known as numbered list. Unordered list is also known as bulleted list. For ordered list, we use OL tag. For unordered list, we use UL tag. Here we have attributes type. Type can be disk, circle and all those things. Here the type can be start, from where you want the list to start, and the type. You want ABC, 1, 2, 3, all those things. In ordered list, attribute used is type, which has values as 1, 2, 3, alphabets, Romans, all those things. In ordered, unordered list, we have disk, circle, square, these things. Default value of ordered list is 1, 2, 3, 4, and default value of unordered list is circle. This is a circle. So this is about the lists. In next, we are going to learn about images, how to put images in your website. Okay, what are its attributes, how to put its values and everything. So start making list, practice it, make some meaningful website. And in the coming videos, we're also going to learn how to publish it. So we will meet in the next class. Till then, do practice. Practice is important. If you get any doubt, ask me in the comment section. Thank you, and we'll meet in next video.